as a result of a police officer's accidental shooting that gravely injured a man working at a mobile shop in Amritsar, Punjab. The officer was suspended on Wednesday. The police officer was caught on camera in the store pulling a gun out of his pocket and setting it on the counter. He allegedly misfired at the victim who was working in the mobile store during this time. The wounded was taken immediately to the hospital. Necessary action will be taken as per the statements of the eyewitnesses and the family. The condition of the injured person is serious, said Varinder Singh, Assistant Commissioner of Police, North Amritsar. A similar incident occurred in Jammu and Kashmir earlier this month, in which a civilian died due to the injuries he suffered after a policeman's rifle accidentally went off. The victim, identified as Mohammad Asif Padru, was immediately rushed to the hospital by the police, but he died there, officials said. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.